JJ the CPA here. Hope you're doing well. Let's talk about the PPP loan, the Paycheck Protection Program loan that came out of the CARES Act today, signed into law, March 27th, 2020. The first thing to note here is that you can't get one today. If you think you're getting one, you're getting an SBA disaster COVID-19 loan that has nothing to do with what we're getting ready to talk about. There's no such thing as an SBA forgivable loan. There's no such way that you're getting a loan from the SBA that it is forgivable. If you're at the SBA website, you are not getting the loan that I'm getting ready to talk to you about. This loan is through a bank, period, the end. So from the perspective of this PPP loan, the PPP, many are also talking about it as the Small Business Interruption Loan. It's meant to be super easy to get. It's a maximum of $10 million. The way that you determine what amount you get to borrow is completely based on the last 12 months of your company's payroll, including the costs surrounding payroll, which would include payroll employer taxes, the insurance paid by the employer for health insurance, and the retirement plan match that the employer pays on the employee's retirement plan. So you would add all those figures together and then take that last 12 months, divide it by 12 so that you get a 1 month average. You take that 1 month average times 2.5, 2.5, and that would be then the amount that you would get as a loan under this PPP loan. This is the loan that's out of the CARES Act, and it has nothing to do with the SBA. So if your annual salary for your employees, including yourself as the owner, plus payroll taxes and health insurance and the retirement match was $360,000 in the last 12 months, well, you would divide that by 12 for a $30,000 monthly average. You'd take 30,000 times 2.5, and that would mean you would get a $75,000 loan under the PPP. The PPP loan is forgivable, and I'm gonna show you how in another video that talks about how is the PPP loan forgivable. But here's what you wanna know, is that when you're looking at this, you're gonna go to the bank. There's 4 main requirements that you're gonna need to sign off on. Number 1, that you are in an economic troubling situation that is qualifying you for these proceeds. Number 2, that you have employees. Number 3, that you're gonna pay employees after you get this loan. And number 4, that if any of the loan is not forgivable, that you will pay it back. Where did I get this information? Because I've been asked that. Directly from the law, directly. If you want to see a copy of the law, then go to my website and you can read it for yourself, which is much better than reading somebody else's summary or hearing it from your neighbor or somebody that said, I heard, or someone told me, or I have this email. I'm getting this information direct. Now, when you're talking about the loan and getting it from the bank, my understanding is that the bank will work in essence like an ATM machine. They will be the administrator. So there's no loan fees related to this, no collateral. And an SBA loan, it does require collateral. Now there is an exception under the disaster relief of COVID-19 that you can get up to $25,000 unsecured, but that's on an SBA, okay? Right now we're talking about a PPP loan, and in a PPP loan, no collateral, period. And nowhere have I been able to find, when I look at the law in any articles I've read thus far, but when I look at the law, it does not show anywhere that there is a big hurdle to the application process. It literally says in the law that the application process in essence is waived. Check the box, you're at an ATM machine, pick your bank, get it out, because basically you're getting this money from the federal government. And when you're looking at this, there is interest that's going to be charged on it. You will have to make payments, but that's only if you didn't use the proceeds for qualified purposes. So I'm going to talk about that in another video. The big thing I just want to stress again is that you are getting the proper loan, because what I would be advising clients is that if you're in the need of a loan related to this crisis that we're dealing with here related to the coronavirus, why get a loan that you have to pay back when you can get one that has the opportunity to become forgivable, not paid back? All right, hey, I'm JJ the CPA. Thank you for tuning in. I'd love it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel. And then don't you ever forget, you've never met a CPA quite like me.